Okay, so in this question, there are two fractions because you have two people working to try and finish the job. Okay, so you have David over here and you have Larry. Okay, and they're both working together. So imagine like here's the first fraction. Okay, here's a box. Okay, here's the first fraction. Okay, this is the amount that David does. David's work, okay, workload or whatever. Okay, so this amount, this fraction describes the percentage of David's work. Okay, so percentage of David's work. And then you have another fraction over here, and this is the percentage of Larry's work. Larry's work. So two people working together, and then you're told that, hey, when you work together and everything's finished, the fraction or the percentage that you equal to is equal to 1. Okay? And so the number at the bottom over here is supposed to be like the amount of time that David needs to finish the job if he's working alone. So since we don't have that value right now, it says, oh, actually we do. It says it would take David 15 hours to do the job by himself. So therefore this number here is 15. Okay? The problem is we don't know how long it would take Larry to finish the job by himself. So that means the bottom number here will be L. Okay, like because we don't know what it is, so we'll just give it like a variable L. And the first thing we're told is that, hey, if they work together on this job, you can finish the job in 9 hours. The number at the top that you're supposed to have is how long it will take if they work together. So therefore, hey, they both work 9 hours, and you're told they were done. So think of it as 9 out of 15, like 9 out of 15. If you simplify this, divide this by 3, you get 3. Divide this by 3, you get 5. That means that, hey, David actually works 60% of the work. Okay, so this is actually 60%. So therefore, that means that Larry actually worked 40%. He did 40% of the work. So what you got to do right now is you just have to solve for L. So you know that, hey, 9 over 15 is 3 over 5. So you just solve for L now. 3 over 5 plus 9 over L is equal to 1. And I'm going to take this and move to the other side. There's a whole bunch of ways you can solve this equation, but I'm thinking the fastest way is just move this to the other side. So you get 9 over L is equal to 1 minus 3 over 5. And if you simplify this, you get 9 over L is equal to 2 over 5. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cross multiply this. So cross multiplying means I'm going to take this top number and this bottom number. I'm going to multiply them. So you get 9 times 5 is equal to, so take this bottom denominator, multiply this top number, so you get 2L. So you get 45 is equal to 2L. And if you divide both sides by 2, so L is equal to 22.5 hours. So what that means is, if Larry were to do the job himself, Larry would take 22.5 hours to do the job himself. And that's it.